Hi there, this is our Scott 1640C lathe. Really well known lathe, lots of them around, very popular. One piece solid cast base. And this one's, we've fitted a brand new 3-jaw chuck on it, to it. It's got a Newell DP1200 digital readout screen with the feed rate graphics on it. It shows the feed rate there. It's got a tapered turning attachment, a chuck guard, carriage stops, etc. It ticks over nicely. The only thing that I noticed on it is it's got a bit of bed wear. The bed wear probably goes well over halfway along. Apart from that, everything seems good. So you'll see from the photos, the back, it all looks pretty reasonable for its age. Got the coolant pump control here. That's that pump running. I haven't put coolant in it, but I imagine it works. They must have been using quite a harsh coolant in it because the paint's had quite a hard time. Like I say, it's got those carriage stops and the thread dial indicator. So that carriage moves nicely. So does that cross slide. A little bit of movement in it. That compound slide has got a little bit of movement as well. The tail stock moves nicely and that locks nice. Goes in and out good. And locks up good too. It's a little bit rough on the inside of that, but not too bad. Alright, we'll start it up. Oh, they've got a high and low electrical up there. So that's the motor running there, and foot brake. This particular model come out with headstock clutches, which is a very good feature. So I'll run you through the feeds. So those are the feeds running there. And they're all nice to move in and out. I'll select the lead screw there. And that's basically coming towards me. I can change that direction and going that way on the lead screw. The feeds itself, so I've just selected the feeds to take the carriage that way, and now the cross slide to go away from you. So those are the feeds there. I'll run you through the speed range. So slowest speed will be, so that was 150 we were in, 150 that we were in there. That's 33. Um, 55, 95, and I'll take you through to that next range, so we'll be jumping in a little bit. That there will be 225. 375, 650, and 1000. Now I'll stop that and put it into its electrical high range and take you through the low in that range. So that will be 65, 110, 190, 300. So now I'll take you through into this high range in here. And number 2, 450. Uh, 750. 2 more to go. Uh, 1300. Last one, 2000. So those are the speed ranges there. It's got the emergency stop button. And that's probably about it. So really well-known lathe, they go very well. This one's got some good features in it. It has got that little bit of bed wear, but the late model digital readout, the quick change tool post, the tapered turning attachment, those headstock clutches. It's got the new 3-jaw on it and the carriage stop, so it's got some good features and it's all set to go.